Seeing around the engine, all very nice and original. No matter where you look. We can see the pads, top of the chains, excellent. The sprockets on the drive. Then we can see the idler, rear idler, and the front idler. Now I'll give you a view of the chains from underneath, showing they're as new. The undercarriage is as new on this machine. You can see all the pins in just excellent condition, no wear whatsoever. Just ready to work, ready to go to a new home. And I'll just give you a brief shot of the blade here at the front.